school, they realized he couldn't sell houses anymore, that he had to do this full time, and he wanted to create a platform where anyone could get the same experience that he had. And so what Taylor did right after that was he started to work for various nonprofits and wanted to study the psychology of giving. There's a book out there by Robert Cialdini, which is called The Psychology of Influence. And he took a lot of these principles and also what he learned from those different charities. And these are the 5 motivators of giving. The first is, especially these days, we want to have a tangible outcome. We want to know where our money's going. We don't want to just give our money to a charity and hope that it's going to go to a good cause. We actually want to see whether it's going to a school, whether it's going to Girls Scholarship, and we want that reporting back. The second is personal connection. He realized that the street canvassers on the street or those telemarketers weren't really working. The reason why was they're strangers and we don't have any trust nor rapport. But what he did realize was when he asked his friends to give, they would immediately give. And if Matt was to ask me to give for any cause, I'd be more apt to give than to a stranger on the street. The third was group mentality. He realized that if he could get his friends together and his friends knew that their other friends were participating, that they wouldn't want to miss out. The fourth was micro-giving. So breaking down a bigger donation into smaller chunks would encourage people to give more. And the last was recognition. And so Taylor decided to take these 5 motivators of giving and build this into a fundraising platform. This was one of the first iterations that we built. And the way it works is, in terms of tangible outcome, we're funding a school. In terms of personal giving, Taylor's recorded a 30-second personal video for each of his friends asking them to give. And because of that, they're more apt to listen to the video and learn more about the cause and cut through the social media clutter that exists today. The third was the microtransaction. So each donor is asked to give $3.33 a day, price of a cup of coffee, or $1.67 a day, price of a cup of tea, for 3 months or 6 months. And if 33 people do that, it adds up to $10,000. The other one was group mentality. So Taylor sent this out to 33 friends and let each of his friends know that he was inviting all his friends to participate in building the school. And the last was recognition. So once someone donated, we'd send out tax receipts, we'd also send out a certificate, and we'd send out different things that they could post on social media and Facebook so they could be recognized by their friends and community.